shiny electabuzz.
Hi there!
Hello, welcome to Dorky Ever After.
Today we're baking a cake.
A Japanese style
Strawberry whipped cream cake.
I love these so much.
Yeah.
Jamie Jo makes the best whipped cream icing, so let's go.
Basically, I have already baked the cake. I did do this from scratch, not from a box. And I made it super healthy. One, we don't eat sweets that often.
Around half an hour every morning.
Yeah, same. But also when I bake cakes and stuff, I actually make the healthy recipe. The only thing that's going to be unhealthy about this particular one is I want it to be a bit more firm. So for that, I do have to use the actual whipped cream. The first thing we're going to do is take off this. Rather than just greasing the pan, what I've been doing is actually putting parchment paper and lining the pan with it. Shoot bead. I like doing that better because the cake never gets stuck to the pan then. Like
it's so satisfying just watching it peel off, nice and smooth.
See, it's all good. And then we're gonna cut it in half. And I've got a little cake wire here.
What a breeze!
I did cut it.
In some weird magic trick, like a magician, she's not actually cut through it and it's not sliced in half.
No, I did. It's good.
It's so cream.
Nice.
It looks nicer actually.
Trade trick, if you've made a buttercream using butter or something else that has a little bit of a yellow tone to it, you add a little bit of purple food coloring and it makes it turn white. We're just gonna add a little dash. So here's our cake, all cut up and ready to go.
Super!
Had it chilling in the freezer for a few minutes just to have it get
That is chilly.
cold.
Chilly cake.
Chillier than it was. Yeah, and now we're gonna put the stuff on. This just helps the cake stay in the center. Do that. And now I'll let you do the first layer of whipped cream. Just do a thin layer and just glop it on.
Just like that?
Yeah, you don't want to press it down. Just
Like
yeah. Get more. Yeah.
Tell Jamie is the whipped cream cake master here. I'm just worried about ruining it. Oh wow. See, I wouldn't have done that. It's like a wizard, she just fills the gaps. Strawberries are still part of like the white cakes you get in Japan, just the strawberry shortcakes.
So we're gonna cut it in half.
This is like the most whipped cream cake, but it just looks so nice. Some of you may be wondering why I'm not doing these things and Jamie is doing all these things, but the reality is Jamie's better at this, and if I did it at this stage, I would probably somehow manage to scrape the strawberries off the cake on the side. And I'm saying that myself.
That's a worry, definitely.
See? I'm voicing the concerns that exist. Okay, time for the cake top.
Yeah.
Here we go. best, honestly.
It's cute. Unreal. It's a strawberry cake! Oh, I'm so excited. Japanese anime Christmases. And then I'm just gonna have us throw these in here and look box. I think it would look cute.
How are we handling lockdown? We're making strawberry Christmas cakes.
Keep putting the marshmallows on. Douche. It's so much fun.
Okay, we should probably stop now so we can cut it with a knife.
No. Okay, fine. Alright.
They're good.
Mmm. So cute. Make like a really big. Okay, British whipped cream sucks. Yay!
There's the cake.
Okay, right. So here's our cake.
Complete with a knife.
Woo!
Right,
It
very
looks
good.
pretty. It's
But
just.
look, I reckon it tastes nice. Marshmallow's good.
I'm gonna try again on my Instagram next week. Well, this week's door game may have been short, but
You joined us for making a cake.
yeah, it was really fun.
If you guys want to see us try and make another cake, let us know down below. Alternatively, we did promise you guys we'd make omni rice. We're probably going to make omni rice next week. So comment down below cake or omni rice.
Yeah.
And note our excitement at the omni rice.
Omni rice.
Comment it. Bye.
Yay!